Greetings to the Ranjeet Kumar YouTube channel. In today's session, we'll be delving into the Compensation and Benefits Guide, providing insights into the fundamental principles and basics of compensation and benefits to enhance your understanding. It's a question that piques the interest of many, but the answer is more nuanced than it may seem. In the world of human resources, compensation and benefits serve as the backbone of an organization's employee management strategy. Let's start with the basics. Compensation is the total amount of the monetary and non-monetary pay provided to an employee in return for work performed. It's the tangible reward employees receive, and it's a crucial element in attracting and retaining talent. Now, compensation can be broken down into two main components: fixed pay and variable pay. Fixed pay is the regular salary or wage that an employee receives. It's consistent, predictable, and doesn't change based on performance or business results. On the other hand, variable pay is performance-based and is not guaranteed. It can take the form of bonuses, profit sharing, or stock options, to name a few. Benefits, on the other hand, are forms of value, other than payment, that are provided to the employee in return for their contribution to the organization. This could include things like health insurance, retirement plans, paid time off, and tuition reimbursement. Benefits are an integral part of an employee's compensation package, and they often play a significant role in an individual's decision to join or stay with a company. So why are compensation and benefits so important in HR? Well, they directly impact an organization's ability to attract, motivate, and retain high-performing employees. A competitive compensation package signals to prospective employees that the organization values its staff and is committed to rewarding their efforts. In a nutshell, compensation and benefits are more than just money. They are a reflection of an organization's culture, values, and commitment to its employees. They are a strategic tool that can be used to drive performance, engagement, and loyalty among staff. Now that we've understood the basics, let's dive deeper into how these are calculated. So, how do we calculate fixed and variable pay? Let's start with fixed pay. This is the guaranteed amount of money that an employee receives on a regular basis. It includes the basic salary, allowances, and benefits. The basic salary is the core amount, and it's usually the largest portion of the fixed pay. Allowances, on the other hand, are additional payments made for specific purposes, like housing or transportation. Benefits, which can be things like health insurance or retirement plans, are also part of the fixed pay. Let's imagine an employee named Raj. His basic salary is $50,000 per year. He receives a housing allowance of $5,000 and a transportation allowance of $2,000. His employer also contributes $5,000 to his health insurance. So Raj's total fixed pay is $62,000 per year. Now let's talk about variable pay. Unlike fixed pay, variable pay is not guaranteed. It's often tied to performance, productivity, or profitability. This category includes bonuses, incentives, and commissions. Bonuses are usually a one-time payment given as a reward for exceptional work or achievement. Incentives, meanwhile, are designed to motivate employees to reach certain goals. Commissions are typically given to salespeople and are based on the amount of sales they make. To illustrate, let's say Raj is also eligible for a performance bonus of up to $10,000, and he receives a commission of 5% on any sales he makes. If Raj makes $200,000 in sales, he earns a commission of $10,000. If he also meets his performance goals and gets the full bonus, his total variable pay is $20,000 for the year. So, if we add up Raj's fixed and variable pay, we get a total annual compensation of $82,000. That's how we break down fixed and variable pay. It's a balancing act that rewards both consistent performance and exceptional achievements. With this, we now have a better understanding of fixed and variable pay. But compensation isn't just about money, is it? Let's delve a bit deeper and explore the non-monetary aspects of compensation, which often play a vital role in an employee's overall compensation package. One of the most common non-monetary benefits is health insurance. This isn't just a perk, it's a necessity. Employers who offer comprehensive health insurance show they care not just about an employee's work, but also their well-being. This can lead to healthier employees, greater productivity, and increased loyalty towards the company. Retirement plans are another important aspect. Whether it's a 401k matching plan in the United States or a superannuation scheme in Australia, these retirement plans help employees secure their future. It's an investment into their long-term relationship with the company, fostering a sense of security and trust. Let's not forget about paid time off. We're not just talking about vacations, but also sick leave, personal days, and parental leave. These policies show that a company respects an employee's work-life balance and understands that everyone needs a break now and then. It's about recognizing that employees are people with lives outside of work, which can significantly contribute to their job satisfaction and morale. Flexible working arrangements, too, are gaining prominence in today's world, with technology enabling us to work from virtually anywhere. More companies are offering the option to work remotely, have flexible hours, or compressed work weeks. This flexibility can greatly enhance an employee's quality of life, potentially increasing their productivity and commitment to the company. And let's not overlook the value of professional development opportunities. Whether it's on-the-job training, tuition reimbursement, or attending industry conferences, these opportunities help employees grow and advance in their careers. This not only benefits the employee, but also the company, which ends up with a more skilled and knowledgeable workforce. So, while that paycheck is definitely important, it's far from the only thing that matters when it comes to compensation. The non-monetary benefits we've discussed today play a crucial role in making an employee feel valued and motivated. It's clear that benefits play a significant role in an employee's overall compensation package. Now, what role does HR play in all of this? The Human Resources Department is the backbone of any organization, and when it comes to compensation and benefits planning, their role is absolutely pivotal. HR professionals are the architects of the compensation and benefits structure. They design, implement, and manage these systems, ensuring they are competitive, fair, and aligned with the organization's strategic goals. It's a delicate balancing act, as they must navigate the fine line between attracting and retaining top talent and staying within the organization's budget constraints. Let's delve deeper into what this entails. HR professionals conduct market research to understand what other companies in the industry are offering their employees. This market pricing helps to ensure that the company's compensation packages are competitive. They also have to keep a keen eye on trends and changes in the labor market, adapting the company's offerings as necessary. But that's not all. HR also plays a crucial role in administering these benefits. They ensure that employees understand their compensation packages and how to make the most of them. They handle questions, resolve issues, and ensure that the process of receiving benefits is as smooth and straightforward as possible. Equally important is HR's role in communicating the value of these benefits to employees. It's one thing to offer a comprehensive benefits package. It's another thing entirely to make sure employees understand and appreciate what they're being offered. This can significantly impact employee satisfaction and retention. Finally, HR professionals are the stewards of the organization's budget. They must constantly evaluate the cost-effectiveness of the benefits programs, making necessary adjustments to ensure the company's financial health. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of work, the role of HR in compensation and benefits planning becomes even more critical. They are the ones who ensure that the organization remains an attractive place to work, while also safeguarding its financial stability. As we can see, HR plays a pivotal role in compensation and benefits planning. So, what have we learned today? We've taken a deep dive into the world of compensation and benefits, unraveling their intricate details and understanding their importance in the human resources domain. We started with the basics, defining compensation and benefits as the tangible and intangible rewards provided to employees for their time and effort at work. These rewards can be financial or non-financial, each playing a crucial role in employee satisfaction and motivation. Next, we dissected the components of compensation, dividing it into fixed and variable pay. Fixed pay, which is the non-negotiable base pay an employee receives, and variable pay, which is dependent on the performance, skill, or decision of the employee. We looked at how these components are calculated and the factors influencing them, such as industry standards, company policy, and the individual's role and performance. From there, we transitioned into the wide-ranging world of benefits. We discussed how they are more than just monetary compensation, extending to healthcare, retirement plans, and even work-life balance initiatives. These benefits show employees that the company values their well-being and is willing to invest in it, which can significantly boost morale and productivity. Lastly, we explored the role of HR in compensation and benefits planning. We highlighted how HR professionals are the architects of these plans, meticulously designing them to align with the company's goals, the employees' needs, and the market trends. They ensure that these plans are fair, competitive, and compliant with regulations, thus playing a pivotal role in the company's success. That wraps up our discussion on compensation and benefits in HR. Remember, understanding and effectively managing compensation and benefits is a valuable skill set in the HR field. It's not just about crunching numbers, but also about understanding people and their needs. So, which of these strategies will you use to become the best HR professional? Is it the mastery of fixed and variable pay calculation, or is it the strategic planning of comprehensive benefits? Or perhaps a combination of both? Share your thoughts in the comments below.